Okay, it's the 21st of January 2025 here in DeFuniak Springs, and this appears to be a blizzard in Florida. This is pretty nuts. Yeah, this is different. I don't think I've seen anything like this before. Good golly. Unbelievable. This is really coming down too. There's more than an inch of snow here. And it's sticking. It ain't just a little bit of snow. The kids across the street are having a ball. They're just partying. They're having so much fun they don't know what to do with themselves. They never seen anything like this. These are Florida kids, you know. They don't do this here. This is like one of a 100-year snowstorm, I'm thinking. Blizzard in Florida. Okay, well, here we are. That's what we got. A blizzard in Florida. This is real different. And the kids are having so much fun. Look at them. This is hilarious. Over there throwing snowballs, running around. I guess their school called. Ain't nobody going to be driving in this. Heard a lot of sirens earlier, but not now. This is just wacko. Look at this. It's absolutely Snowzilla. Look, it's snow on my bicycles here. Look at there. Snow on the bicycles. Glad I got them out of the weather. Good gravy. This is really something. Man. And Jones' truck's all covered in snow. I took Vivi out a little while ago, and she did not like that. No. I've never seen anything like this in Florida. This is crazy. Yeah, global warming. Let's talk about global warming. I'm thinking maybe global warming is a load of crap, okay? Just saying, this don't look like global warming to me. This is like, oh my. Wow.